we have our first little, what do you want to, not breakdown, thank God.
It's not a breakdown, it's just mishap.
Yeah, mishap. So there it is our little tank heater for the gray tank for the shower. Once it gets over this part right here, it ain't gonna slide no more. Like, man, you can't spend all this money and shit's dragging out. All right. It's time for another camping trip, man. We are getting ready. So we just left Kroger. I was gonna record in there, but they had the music like really loud. So I was like, wait till we get outside. So this is everything we bought.
Yeah.
I forgot how to work the camera.
For a two day.
And this is what I be talking about with there you are, babe.
It's doing the auto track.
Yeah, this is what I be talking about when people, how do they camp? Because this $125 right here, you know, and this is just 2 days.
Yeah, this cart would have used to cost about maybe $60.
Mm-hmm.
So
2 days worth of stuff, $125,
and then we got deals.
Right, and I got gas for the van. What was that about? Well, I got the car, so I'm gonna say about maybe $55 for the van. So we didn't even leave yet.
We're already $145.
Yeah, so it's just ridiculous, man. It's just is what it is. It's just the new times, but everybody's out there. Hey, look at me!
And then the cost, the cost of the campsite.
The cost of the campsite, yeah. So
we still don't even have wood yet.
That's almost $100. Yeah, we got to get wood. So yeah, all of that. Let me go ahead and get this stuff in the van. All right, we see it red? Yeah, it's red right here. We are about 50 miles. I think we are 50 miles away from Turkey Run. So we left the shopping center. I didn't record after that, but we got everything in the. We bought everything. I don't know, $225 worth of food.
More than that. Well, yeah.
And then I went to the gas station.
Yeah.
Did I get gas first?
We got gas.
After the gas. After
and
the
then
food?
we went and got food.
Okay, yeah. So now we at Kroger. We almost there. We got the firewood, so that was another $14-something.
Yeah.
Then walking out. Let's turn this way.
Yeah.
Get this.
Yeah.
There we go. See a little bit better. Okay, so walking out. Got the firewood inside. I get inside, and Deborah says, "Bang!" And I saw that face, and I know that face means, oh, here we go. And sure enough, so we have our first little, what do you want to, not breakdown, thank God.
It's not a breakdown, it's just mishap.
Mishap.
A cheaply made
stuff.
Yeah.
So under the van, it is, and this is actually something I can identify, so that's good news. And I'm like, what the hell is that? So here, let me turn it around this way. Is our that was dragging on the ground. Can you see that? Let me see. I can't. Oh, there. Wait. Damn. This. All right. There it is. So there it is our little tank heater for the gray tank for the shower, which kind of sticks under this tank right here. I don't know if it's pointing right. And then here it is. So what I'm gonna do, there's 2 wires right there. I'm gonna cut them, and I'm gonna try to find some wire nuts, put some wire nuts on them, and cut them. And if I ever find a replacement, it should be an easy install. But that's what I'm gonna do for now. Turn this back around. We was at I don't think Kroger has any like wire nuts, or I can get electrical tape as well.
Yeah, they'll probably have electrical tape.
Definitely have electrical tape, and just kind of tape them up and tape the wires and be done with it. It's not winter yet, so I got a problem when it comes to winter until I get that fixed. And that's like, I guess, if I'm living in the van. There is another one, I believe, underneath the fresh water tank. Hold that. Let me see.
I was going to flip y'all around, but we're just going to see what he's doing.
That one actually has brackets under it installed. So I got the pad sitting on the tank, and then there's metal brackets. It'll never come out of there.
Oh, okay.
That's crazy.
Why didn't they metal bracket that one?
I don't know, because it's under the brackets that's actually holding the tank up. So yeah, I'll show y'all real quick. I don't know why my thing is not lining up. So here's the freshwater tank, and then you can see the pad underneath, and then you can see the brackets, right? Holding that pad right in place. I wish I had that on the other one. That's not going nowhere. So, get up off the ground. Wow, that's a crazy, I'll take a picture so you can see. So we're gonna see if we can find something to fix this. I even think we're in like a downtown somewhere, because every store you can think of is like in this area. So maybe I'll find the right store and get the right stuff. I don't even got something to cut it with. Got any toenail clippers?
No.
Scissors?
No.
None of your little making things?
I didn't bring any of that with me.
So anyway, we gotta go ahead and take care of that, and then continue to the park. That's minor. It's still bothersome. Like, man, you spend all this money and shit's dragging.
Yeah.
But yeah, we go ahead and take care of it and be out of here. I think I have enough room to work, but I'm gonna make sure. So maybe I can stop being RV. I got these blocks, so I'm gonna go ahead and raise that tire up a little bit. This will give me a little bit more working room. Legos. All right. Let me know, babe.
Okay, I'll go like this. It's lit it.
It's still set up though?
Yeah. It's not doing it. It's like sliding it.
You might have to hold your foot there.
I'm not holding my foot there.
Drive?
No.
Yes, because I'm going to hold my foot. Damn, I need some kind of track. Just like that. And then you can pull your foot out, right? I'm going slow. Once it gets over this part right here, it ain't going to slide no more.
Hold on. Do y'all hear him?
Did you have it?
He wants me to put my foot.
Oh, wait. I said she could drive. Okay, so
let me show you.
Wait,
I'm going to show you where he wants me to put my foot.
Right here.
Wait, where is it at?
Huh?
Oh.
Right here to stop it from sliding. I think I just need a little bit. We're not on that, damn, why is it pointing straight up in the air?
I know. Right? It's because it's doing face track.
It's the...
Okay. There. All right.
Let's back up to one of those blocks right there and set some...
Yeah, do that.
You want to do that?
Yes. Because, no, I don't want to be any part of that rolling over my foot.
Gosh, you don't want to drive?
No, I'll roll over your foot. I'm letting you know that now.
All right.
I think he forgot who he's talking to, because I'm clumsier than...
This ground is slippery. So you can't use these. We learned something today. It won't work on this smooth pavement. You need that little rocky stuff going. At least with the back tires. All right, let's go figure something out. All right, so we're gonna try to figure this out here. That's what I want. I'm gonna get about that high. And I want to push against this to stop it from backing up. But we was noticing a slide happening. See that? So we're gonna turn it this way. And then it looks like I got some bump. Now, when I go over, just make sure I'm not scraping pipes and stuff. So you might have to stand back and look.
Okay.
I do have the overhang of the curb.
Oh, yeah.
And stuff. I think we're clear. Looks like we're clear on the whole thing.
Okay. Just look, watch me. Or do you want me to say stop? Turn off your radio then.
I can kind of see.
Oh. Oh. Stop. Stop. Yeah. You're good.
Give me that little rock.
Oh. Well, but you're still good. No, wait. Well, you're on there, but not all the way. Stop. Okay. There we go. Babe, will you lock those doors? Because I have my purse in there. All right.
This sounds crazy. I actually want to set the emergency brake, which I should. But I'm afraid it's going to break. I never tested it yet. And I don't want to push it. And we're like, all right, let's go. And them brakes are just frozen, man. So I'm just not even going to mess with the brakes.
Yeah, because I'm going to tell y'all, one day Andre set my parking brake and it cut my brake lines.
And it just kind of stayed frozen. We somehow got it freed.
We got it freed, but then my brakes end up going out on me.
So you see it, you can turn it back around. You see, for this little ride over, I just wrapped the pad over the spring, like I was saying. So all right, let me get the tools. Don't show my butt.
I'm not gonna show it. Oh, wait. Oh, we got to get the
So going with those.
We need the plier thing.
Yeah, where?
You told me to put the bag in this.
I thought you had everything though.
No. Oh my goodness. Y'all, he is so handy. Like, he can pretty much do anything. So
I got some needle nose cutters. The same. I need to get a tool bag, right, for the little things. I got a shitload of these, and I just had to pay $8 for something I haven't already. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and keep these. I got a nice sharp blade at least, and I'm gonna put these two on, and then I'm gonna tape them together, and then kind of situate it to where it's not dragging or can catch something. All right, so I don't know if you want to film or you just film the handiwork afterwards. You would have to get down.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
All right, so.
All right, we'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back.
Bye.
All right, so here's my fixed job. All right, I got a couple of wire nuts. For whatever reason, that white wire is slightly smaller than the red wire, so I got two different caps on there. But both of the caps fit tight. Got some tape. I didn't go crazy with the tape. And then this is the insulation that was inside of those. Now here's some wires that, I guess that's the tank. This might be, okay, those look like levels for the tank. 33, 66, and 100. So those look good. And then this is not dragging. I could probably put this under here. That. Oh, that's actually pretty good. I like that. All right, so everything else looks good under here. I don't see nothing else that's falling apart. So we should be good to go. Yeah. Let's get the hell out of here. All right, so Deborah's holding the part. Y'all couldn't really see it really good. So this is where I was dragging it. Then you can see the elements that heat the tank. Not much of a tank heater, I'll tell you that. I mean, here are the wires. So, just around. And that's it. I mean, this big old pad for, I don't know how hot these get to keep the tank warm, but I don't know if I want to bring it to these guys. I mean, this is something I could do myself. Maybe I'll get a hold of Ultra Heat or Jayco to say, yo, send me it on the warranty, send it free. I don't want to drop my van off for months. But I don't know. I never did a repair. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to take it with me, for proof. I don't know. But you got to... Yeah. I couldn't just drive with it like that, so I had to do what I got to do. Luckily, I know a little bit of electrical stuff. little bit, you know. And that was an easy one, man. Let something else go wrong deep inside, I probably don't have an answer. Anyway,
Nothing else is gonna go wrong.
That's right.
That right now.
That's right. So, are you ready to get out of here, baby?
I'm ready. All
right, let's get this.
Let's do this.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, babe. I'm gonna pull off.
Okay.
It's recording.
All right. He's gonna get in there, and he's gonna now pull off of here. All right. And then here he comes. He's going to go ahead and pick those up.
I'm thinking this is just going to be B-roll.
Oh.
But if you want to narrate it.
No, it's okay.
Hey, if you hear the voice, we decided not to make B-roll. Oh my God. I'm not even putting that up because we're gonna be taking it right back out anyway, probably. So, did we ever show them the wood we got?
I don't think so.
Open the back door.
Oh, here, we'll do it. Go ahead and open up that door and then.
So, here we are at the back. By the way, we was gonna.
Almost fell. Almost fell.
Here's the wood.
He is sweating his eyes.
Yeah, I gotta get anyway.
That's the good wood.
Yeah, I think that's good. It looks nice and dry.
We're gonna just lay that right there.
Yeah, when we get there, we'll take care of all that stuff.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Bye.
Bye.